Good afternoon and welcome to this Week in Wealth with Camarda Wealth Advisory Group. My name is Troy Lerche and I'm the Director of Wealth Management here. I wanted to go over a few things about the markets, very big picture, and from a historical perspective. One of the things we look at is the CAPE, and it's a long-term valuation of the market commonly measured by the cyclically adjusted price to earnings ratio. A CAPE of 30 is considered to be the upper end of the normal range, and the market was currently at that level. One thing that we want to watch is for a mania. If a mania comes along, it can drive prices much, much higher for years to come. Two manias to note in the last century is the Roaring '20s and the tech bubble of the late 1990s. And those show that the sky is the limit when common sense is overcome by a blind desire to buy. We also want to note that we do not use CAPE as an official input in our methods. However, it's always good to simply know where we are on the historic continuum, where it may lead, and what sort of expectations one may wish to hold in order to craft an investment strategy that works in any market season, whether it's this one or the one that's coming soon. Also wanted to note, reading our bull bear indicators, we currently remain in cyclical bull territory. And the reason for that is because we counted up all of our indicators that are up for US equities, and our current tally is 4 of the 4 are positive. We'll talk a little bit about the markets and economic news. Last week, the major market indices finished the week up mixed after Friday erased most of the losses earlier in the week. The international markets finished to the upside. Commodities finished to the upside as well because of concerns over inflation continue to grow. US economic news, the number of Americans applying for first-time unemployment benefits fell to below 500,000, which was the first time since the onset of the pandemic. The US also gained 266,000 jobs in April as the economy continues to gain strength, but the increases fell shockingly short of economic forecasts. As we all know, soaring prices of raw materials and widespread shortage of parts, materials, and labor threaten to hamper the strong recovery in American manufacturing. Another thing, finally, we wanted to touch on Dogecoin. Dogecoin's a cryptocurrency which started out as a joke by 2 software engineers, and it recently passed Ford Motor Company with a valuation of, or a market cap of, 75 billion. Tesla CEO Elon Musk went on Saturday Night Live where he joked Dogecoin was a hustle. And we certainly think it's the most valuable joke in the known universe. Well, that's all for today, folks. Have a great weekend. Talk to you soon.